Hello everyone! Gems Luggage Repair Services Manila. For today's video, we have new drop from our new customers. 6 pieces luggage from Taguig. Repair for handle replacement, single wheels replacement, telescopic repair, puller and slider. Before handle expired for replacement. Replacement. Before single wheels repair replacement. Telescopic repair, change pins and springs. TSO lock replacement, puller replacement and slider. For more information, you can direct message our official Facebook page account. Gems Luggage Repair Services Manila. Call us 0969-645-9740 We are located at Barangay 462, Padre Paredes Street, Sampaloc, Manila. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.